Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot to sync leads from Facebook ads step by step clearly. To begin, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the marketing dashboard. Select the ads option from the main menu. Click on the Connect Account button. Choose Facebook ads from the list of available platforms. You will be prompted to log into your Facebook account. Enter your Facebook login credentials and sign in. Once logged in, grant HubSpot the necessary permissions. This allows HubSpot access to your Facebook ads account. Review the permissions requested by HubSpot. Click on Continue to proceed with authorization. After successfully connecting, you'll return to the HubSpot. Next, select the Facebook ad campaign you wish to sync leads from. Specify the lead form you want to use for collection. Make sure your lead form is properly set up on Facebook. If needed, go back to Facebook to create or edit your lead forms. Once your lead form is ready, return to HubSpot. Select the appropriate lead form from the drop-down menu in HubSpot. Enable the option to sync leads automatically. Confirm your setup by reviewing the settings and permissions. Click on Save to finalize the configuration. Congratulations, your HubSpot account is now authorized to sync leads from Facebook ads. You can monitor incoming leads from the ads dashboard in HubSpot. Regularly check your lead performance to optimize future campaigns. That concludes the step-by-step process for authorizing HubSpot to sync leads from Facebook ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.